300 shares of SCHD is a $9,600 investment at today's price. That's an accessible number for most people, not out of reach, not something you need years of saving to get to. You can build to 300 shares in a relatively short period of consistent contributions. And most people who own 300 shares of SCHD think of it as a starting position, something small that'll grow over time. What most people don't realize is that 300 shares left completely alone for 10 years with dividends reinvested becomes something different from what they started with. The income nearly triples, the position value more than doubles, and a very specific capability unlocks at exactly 300 shares that doesn't exist at 200 shares. 3 options contracts. Here's the starting point in plain numbers so we're all on the same page. 300 shares of SCHD at $32 per share is around $9,600. The current quarterly dividend is approximately 26 cents per share on 300 shares at $78 a quarter, or $312 per year, arriving in 4 payments. $312 per year from $9,600 sounds kind of small, 3.25% in year 1, less than what a high yield savings account pays in some rate environments. If you looked at that return in isolation, you'd be underwhelmed, okay? And a lot are. But the dividend doesn't stay at $312, right? SCHD has grown its dividend approximately 9 to 10% annually since the fund launched. Year 2, the dividend per share is higher than year 1. Year 5, it's higher still, and the reinvested dividends buy more shares, which generates, you guessed it, more dividends, which buys more shares. 2 compounding forces are running simultaneously from the day you hold the position. The $312 year 1 income is not what the position eventually pays. It's just the starting price. But here's the framework for understanding what 300 shares does over a decade of time. There are 2 separate things growing at the same exact time. The dividend, obviously per share, grows because the underlying companies are growing their earnings and raising their payouts. The number of shares grows because every quarterly distribution is buying fractional new shares that immediately start earning their own dividends. When both forces run together, the income compounds faster than either one alone suggests. The dividend growing at 9% per year on a fixed number of shares would double the income in about 8 years. But the shares are also growing from reinvestment, which means the base the dividend is paid on expands literally every quarter. The combined effect is an income growth rate that slightly exceeds the dividend growth rate alone. The position value grows independently as the share price appreciates alongside the fund's underlying quality. SCHD's share price has historically risen alongside its dividend because the companies in the fund are genuinely worth more as their earnings grow. In 10 years, the $9,600 you deployed has done 3 things at once without any additional input: grown the dividend income nearly 3-fold, added shares through reinvestment, and appreciated the value of the original shares. All 3 are done simultaneously. Let's talk about the year-by-year dividend income trajectory on this. At 9% annual dividend growth and quarterly reinvestment, here's what the dividend income from this position looks like across the entire decade. Year 1, $312. Year 3, approximately $368. Year 5, approximately $437. Year 7, approximately $524. Year 10, around $700. That's the annual dividend income from the same 300 shares started in year 1, reinvested the entire time. By year 10, the annual income has grown from $312 to approximately $700, more than doubling without adding a single dollar of new capital. Year 10's quarterly payment is approximately $175 to $180 from $78 when you started. But now let's talk about the share count at year 10. Every quarterly distribution buying new shares at the prevailing price adds to the base. Over a decade of consistent reinvestment at a growing dividend rate, the 300 shares you started with becomes approximately 380 to 385 shares by year 10. That additional 85 shares comes from dividends alone, not new contributions, and those extra shares are now generating their own dividends, which will buy more shares in year 11, year 12, and beyond. The position value at year 10 at 5% annual share price appreciation, approximately $20,000 to $21,000 from a $9,600 starting investment, left completely alone and not touching anything. Total return over 10 years, the position more than doubled in value and is now paying $700 a year in dividends that will continue growing. The compounding that felt invisible in year 2 and 3 has become very visible by year 8 and 9. But let's talk about the 3 contract covered call layer. And here's the capability that 300 shares unlocks that 200 shares doesn't. Standard options contracts cover 100 shares. At 300 shares, you have exactly 3 contracts of covered call potential. That's the minimum for running a meaningful multi-contract strategy, in my opinion, enough to sell at slightly different strikes or stagger expirations across the same underlying. At 30 cents per share in a conservative monthly covered call on 300 shares, timed to the upper Bollinger Band with strikes well above the current price, you're collecting about $90 per month in covered call premiums. Combined with the quarterly dividend, in year 10, when the quarterly payment is approximately $180, the monthly equivalent of the dividend is roughly $58. Add 90 from the monthly covered call, and the position is generating approximately $150 a month from $9,600 starting an investment held for 10 years. That's income from 2 separate sources: passive dividend growth and an active premium layer from a position that cost less than $10,000 a decade ago. But here's the full picture with all this. 300 shares held for 10 years with dividends reinvested becomes a position worth approximately $20,000 that pays approximately $700 a year in dividends, growing at 9% annually, and generates another roughly $1,000 a year in covered call premium if you choose to run the active layer. Big if. Total annual income at year 10 from dividends plus covered calls, approximately $1,700 from a $9,600 starting investment. That's an 18% yield on your original cost. The 10-year journey to get there doesn't feel linear. Years 1 through 4 feel like very little is happening. Years 7 through 10 feels like it's working, but both feelings are wrong. The compounding was running the entire time. The late years just reveal what the early years were quietly building. I got some questions for you guys, as always, in that comment section. Number 1, how many shares of SCHD do you currently own, and do you have a specific target number that you're working towards in your position? And number 2, are you at or above the 300 share threshold where 3 covered call contracts are possible? And if so, are you using that layer yet? I always get a mixed bag in the comments. Some people agree with doing the covered calls, some people love doing it, and then others are totally against that. I would love to hear and spark that conversation in the comment section. And if you're a beginner getting started with all this, I do want to invite you to our 90-minute Ark Options workshop. It'll be the first link in the description of today's video. At the end of that training, you also get my 15 favorite stocks under $30, my 2 premium calculators, and my full trade lock template, all completely for free. So click that first link in the description of today's video, guys. As always, sell options, collect premiums, repeat. I'll see y'all tomorrow.